Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone, especially to our lecturer, Madam Azmira binti Abdullah. So today, our group will be presenting our topic for subject Account 407, Fundamental Financial Accounting and Reporting. Our topic for today is Financial Accounting and Reporting for sole proprietorship and partnership businesses. The company that we have chosen for this presentation is Hafsah Enterprise. But before we begin, I would like to introduce our group member. Our team consists of, my name is Nazira binti Muhammad Ali. My student ID number is 2026 791 047.
Good day everyone, I'm Katrina Simpo Anak Bakat and my ID number is 2026 732 081.
Hi everyone, my name is Damia Lutfia binti Jahari. My ID number is 2026 984 105.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Hazrin binti Abdullah Sulaiman. My ID number is 2026 7333 71.
Hi everyone, my name is Alisha Shalin binti Abdullah. My ID number is 2026 304 607.
First, we will explain the background of the business. Hafsah Enterprise is a sole proprietorship business owned by Hafsah binti Baili. The business is located in Miri, Sarawak and started operating in 2012 but fully established in 2015. The business focuses mainly on agricultural activities, specifically the planting and selling watermelon and honeydew. The business sells its product directly to markets, wholesalers, and also individual customers. This allows the business to generate income from different customer groups. Besides that, the business started with an estimated capital of 15,000. This capital was mainly used for farming equipment, seed, fertilizer, irrigation system, and land preparation. In terms of business type, agriculture is considered an important sector because it contributes to food supply and local economic development. Hafsah Enterprise chose watermelon and honeydew because these fruits have high consumer demand, especially in hot weather and tropical countries like Malaysia. Overall, Hafsah Enterprise is an example for all small agricultural business that have grown steadily through farming activity and proper business management.
Next, I will explain the main business characteristics of Hafsah Enterprise. Based on the interview conducted with the owner of Hafsah Enterprise, our group was able to identify 4 main characteristics that contribute to the business operation and success. The first characteristic is labor-intensive operations. Since Hafsah Enterprise is involved in agricultural activities, many farming processes such as planting, watering, fertilizing, monitoring crop growth, and harvesting require continuous human effort and supervision. The next characteristic is high market demand. The business focuses on watermelon and honeydew cultivation, which are popular fruits among consumers due to their refreshing taste and suitability for Malaysia's climate. So, this situation creates consistent demand and income opportunities for the business. The third characteristic is the short growing period. Compared to some agricultural products, watermelon and honeydew can be harvested within a relatively shorter period. So this allows the business to generate revenue more quickly and maintain a better cash flow cycle. Last but not least, Hafsah Enterprise operates as a sole proprietorship business. This means the business is owned and managed by a single owner, Madam Hafsah binti Bailey, who is responsible for making decisions and overseeing daily operations. So, among these four characteristics, high market demand and the short growing period are particularly important because they contribute directly to the business profitability and sustainability. Consistent customer demands ensures regular sales, while faster harvesting allows the business to generate income more frequently throughout the year. As overall, these characteristics influence how the business manages its operations, generate income, and remains competitive in the agricultural sector. So now, I will hand over the presentation to the next presenter, who will explain the accounting elements of Hafsah Enterprise.
Now, I will continue with the accounting elements involved in Hafsah Enterprise. Accounting elements are important because they help business record financial information systematically and accurately. The first element is assets. Assets refer to resources owned and used by the business. For Hafsah Enterprise, examples include land, irrigation system, farming machinery, inventory of watermelon and honeydew, and cash. These assets help the business carry out its daily operations. The second element is liabilities. Liabilities are amount owed by the business to other parties. Such an examples include bank loans, unpaid wage, and supply credit. These liabilities represent the business financial obligations. The third element is revenue. Revenue refers to income earned from business activities. In this case, Hafsah Enterprise earn revenue mainly through the sales of watermelon, honeydew, and other agriculture products. The last element is expense. Expense are costs incurred during business operations. Such an examples include seeds, fertilizers, transportation costs, labor, wage, equipment maintenance, and irrigation expense. These accounting elements are important because they help the business evaluate profitability, financial position, and overall business performance. An accurate accounting records also assist the owner in making better financial decisions and planning future business activities.
For the next part, I will explain the recording process for watermelon and honeydew cultivation practiced by Hafsah Enterprise. The first process is land preparation recording. Before planting begins, Hafsah Enterprise records important information such as soil condition, land clearing activities, and bed preparation. These records help ensure that the land is suitable for cultivation and provide a strong foundation for healthy crop growth and higher productivity. The second process is seed planting records. The business documents the seed varieties used, planting dates, and the planting methods. By maintaining these records, Hafsah Enterprise can monitor crop performance, compare planting techniques, and identify the method that produced the best result. The third process is crop management recording. This includes records of irrigation schedule, fertilizer applications, and pest and disease control activities. Keeping the accurate record allows the business to monitor crop development, reduce resource wastage, and respond quickly to any issue that may affect production. The fourth process is harvest recording. Hafsah Enterprise records harvest dates, yield quantities, and the fruit quality. These records are useful for evaluating farm performance, measuring productivity, and estimating future production level. The final process is cost and financial recording. The business records all farming expenses, sales revenue, and profits earned. Examples include fertilizer costs, labor expenses, transportation costs, and sales transaction. This record helps the business maintain effective financial control, monitor profitability, and manage operational costs efficiently. Overall, this systematic recording process is essential for ensuring efficient farm management and sustainability business operation. From an accounting's perspective, proper record keeping supports accurate financial reporting, improves decision making, and helps Hafsah Enterprise evaluate its overall business performance. So now I will hand over the presentation to our last presenter, who will explain the strengths and weaknesses for Hafsah Enterprise.
Lastly, I will explain the strength and weakness of Hafsah Enterprise before concluding our presentation. First, the strengths. One major strength is high market demand. Watermelon and honeydew are widely consumed fruits, especially during hot weather, so the business has strong sales potential. The second strength is profitable business opportunity. Large harvest quantities and good selling price can help the business earn attractive profits. Another strength is fast-growing crops. Since watermelon and honeydew have shorter growing periods, the business can harvest and sell product more quickly. In addition, these fruits are suitable for tropical climates like Malaysia because they require warm temperature and sufficient sunlight. Another advantage is their high nutrition value, which increase consumer preference and market demand. However, the business also faces several weaknesses. One weakness is high initial cost. The business needs significant spending on seeds, fertilizer, irrigation system, and pest control. The second weakness is susceptibility to pests and disease. Crops disease or insect attack can reduce production quality and profitability. The business is also highly weather dependent. Heavy rain, drought, or extreme weather conditions may damage crops and affect harvest result. Besides that, farming requires regular maintenance such as watering, fertilizing, and monitoring crops condition continuously. Lastly, market price fluctuation can affect profits because food price often change depending on supply and demand. In conclusion, Hafsah Enterprise demonstrates how a small agriculture business apply accounting concept and systematic recording in managing farming operation. Although the business faced several challenges, proper financial management and effective operational planning can help ensure long-term business sustainability. Thank you.